To connect JBL Flip 7 with your Android smartphone, first of all, you will need to grab your speaker and then click on the power button right here. Hold it for a few seconds until you hear the iconic JBL sound. Next step is to click and hold Bluetooth button and until it starts flashing rapidly, just like that. I've already entered the pairing mode, so I can show you that exactly, but you just need to hold it until it blinks like this. Now we can let go of our speaker, and for some new Android devices you will instantly see a connection option, but I'm gonna skip it for the purpose of connecting it manually. So we need to open our Bluetooth settings on that smartphone device, then look for the available devices and select JBL Flip 7. Then click on pair, and that way you will connect your speaker with the phone. And the next step would be to download the JBL Portable app. You can find it on Google Play Store or most of the other stores available for different devices as well. So click and open this app, allow any permissions, and this will allow you to customize settings for your JBL Flip 7. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.